chicken and bacon melt. There we go. 2 pieces of foil, butter or oil, depending what you want. I'm going to use butter. My fingers, and just put it on there and just spread it out. One succulent chicken breast. Oh no, I'm not. No, I'm not. Hold on. I've got to do this. 2 seconds. Himalayan salt. Some pepper. 1 succulent, beautiful chicken breast on top. 1 beautiful succulent piece of bacon. Onion. Red pepper. Yellow pepper. A little sprinkling of garlic granules, not garlic salt, garlic granules. Followed by a topping of mature cheese, baked in the oven for 45 minutes at gas mark 6. Fold into a parcel just by nipping the top over, like so. Bring the sides up and bring up like so. I've got one more to do, I won't show you that, and then we'll put them in on a baking tray in the oven for 3/4 hour. There we go. Piece of cake, 3/4 hour, chicken breast, bacon, add what flavourings you want, onion, cheese, broccoli and peas. Absolutely beautiful and really good for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up. Like and subscribe over here. Upcoming videos over the other side. Take care and we'll catch you in the next video. If you like more cooking ones, please let me know in the description down below.